Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Melon Sandbox version and immediately backing up your config and mods. This preserves settings if something breaks. Once done, download the latest release package and its checksum so you can verify integrity. Make sure the target application is closed, disable antivirus temporarily to prevent false positives, and run as administrator. These steps reduce permission and file lock issues while you prepare to install the update. You verify the checksum, then extract the package into a temporary folder to inspect contents. This avoids accidental overwrites. Next, copy and replace the Melon Sandbox core, DLLs, and scripts into the application directory, preserving your user config unless the update explicitly requires a reset. After replacing files, register any new modules or plugins and update file permissions. Then restart File Watchers or the Host app so the new binaries are loaded cleanly. You now launch the Host app and watch the Melon Sandbox logs to confirm the new version loaded and to scan for errors. This proves the update succeeded. Once verified, re-enable your antivirus and test the core features and any important mods to catch runtime issues. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup immediately and compare pre/post logs to isolate the failure. That single troubleshooting step saves time and clarifies whether files, permissions, or mods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.